Disinfecting. You know, we all think things have to be disinfected, all the germs gone, and we buy all these chemicals to use to do it. Well, in honesty, disinfecting chemicals, the solutions that we use to disinfect where we cook food even, are classified as pesticides because they're loaded with nasty chemicals. But there is such an easy, inexpensive way to disinfect, you won't believe it. So first of all, when you're done with dinner, you want to wash up your countertop. Get the big stuff off of it. Wash it just with some soap and water and a sponge or microfiber cloth. Dry it. Then you're going to take a bottle of hydrogen peroxide and a bottle of vinegar. You'll hold one in each hand. You're going to take your hydrogen peroxide, you're going to spray that countertop. Then you're going to take the vinegar, you're going to spray right over it. Now you're going to walk away and you're going to leave that for 5 to 10 minutes because disinfectant must stay on the surface to actually disinfect. It's not a spray and wipe. Then we're going to take our microfiber cloth and we're going to start and we're just going to wipe that away. That countertop is totally disinfected. Now I want to give you a little tip too. This is a regular hydrogen peroxide bottle that it comes in from the drugstore. The reason it's in a brown bottle is that light breaks down hydrogen peroxide and turns it into, guess what? Water. So it does no good at all. So you want to keep it in that brown bottle. So what I do, I go to the dollar store, I buy a bottle for $1 and I take the sprayer off and I put it on my peroxide bottle and I do the same with the vinegar. That way I know exactly what's in it and I can use it anytime I need to. It's great for the bathroom, it's great for the kitchen. You can use it on food surfaces without rinsing. So again, we're going to take that hydrogen peroxide, we're going to spray, we're going to take that vinegar and we're going to spray and we're going to walk away for 5 to 10 minutes, come back, take your microfiber cloth and buff. Surfaces are so clean, you can eat off them. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.